Welcome to our channel. If you want to find and win your first federal contract through GSA, follow these step-by-step instructions to break into government contracting. Step 1. Register your business in SAM.gov, which is required for all federal contractors. This free registration makes your business visible to government buyers and is necessary to receive contracts. Step 2. Obtain any necessary certifications, such as small business status, woman-owned, veteran-owned, or hub zone certification. These preferences can increase your competitive advantage. Step 3. Research GSA Schedule contracts that align with your products or services. Visit GSAadvantage.gov to see what's currently on contract and identify your competition. Step 4. Decide whether to pursue a GSA schedule or to bid on open market opportunities. GSA schedules are like pre-negotiated contracts that agencies can order from, while open market requires bidding each time. Step 5. If pursuing a GSA schedule, review the solicitation requirements carefully. Schedules have specific categories like IT, Schedule 70, or Professional Services Schedule. Step 6. Prepare your GSA schedule offer, including pricing, commercial sales practices, past performance, financial capability, and technical capability demonstrations. Step 7. Search for contracting opportunities on SAM.gov using keywords related to your products or services. Set up saved searches to receive notifications about new opportunities. Step 8. Start with smaller contracts to build past performance. Consider subcontracting with established GSA schedule holders to gain federal experience before pursuing your own schedule or large contracts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.